Noon Gov, what is the purpose kitsang sining
Well,
program?
we have our education summit here. The purpose is kung ako lang iya, and I said that earlier, this is a meeting. Patawag meeting, kita, tungkol sa ating mga partners and our stakeholders, our DepEd, our schools, ang ating mga mayors, ang sanggunian, our private partners, so that we can stop and review ang ating educational system and our educational program together with the DepEd. Sa probinsya, let's take, I presented to them, this is our best province program. Muling eskwela sa probinsya for effective, relevant, and transformative education system. So, ginbalikan ko na kita. And I showed them that since 2022, when we wrote that, naka-implement na kita. Naka-implement na kita. Pamagi sa ating aggressive classroom program and facilities. Pagi sa ating career guidance and counseling program. Pagi sa ating voter education program. Pagi sa ating reading program ang Best Basa and the proof of concept in partnership with Synergia and the others. So, muna nang implasta natin kay Ina. We are doing well. We're getting very concrete results. Halimbawa, with the DepEd, because USEC, under Secretary Peter Converos, we said that lagson nato sa masarangan natin ang classroom shortage na problema sa inyo. And we are willing to invest 500 million classrooms alone together with the DepEd. Let's put together the numbers. Pwede siya kung again. So that is just an example. Hindi lang classroom sa iba.
So sa upon implementation malagaw sa 2022, mga pila na taka-percentage ang
I don't have the numbers with me right now.
estimated?
I cannot give that Pero we can give that to you later. Pero damo na kita na umbra. We are only limited by our absorptive capacity. Capacity sa engineering department. But we have improved because we are transferring funds to the local government units and the barangays for the classroom. And they're doing well. Ang classroom natin subong, barangay nag-obra. I think 95%. And they're doing a good job. And we are proud of that. And we'll continue to do that. Kaya kung if you only have one engineering department implementing classroom, damo pa kita project may dalan na. That is why sa totoo lang, because education is a devolved function, classrooms are not even factored in sa ubra sa engineering sa province. Although we are trying to extend the capacity. And right now, what are we doing? We are partnering with the LGUs, the municipalities, and the barangay in the construction of our classrooms.
So ano gid siya Gov ka effective? Kay na-mention ka gina ni Undersecretary nga mas ma-monitor sa LGU kung sila mismo ang
Yes,
magpatiyan ng classrooms.
And bisan kita man, when we transfer funds, may capacity building kita. We have a briefing, no? May technical capacity building kita. Sa procurement, sa briefing, monitoring, we do that. Pag nami siya ang resulta. And Secretary Ngara mentioned in the budget hearing in Congress, sa Committee on Education budget hearing, that Iloilo is doing this. And then we're doing a good job.
So with the trainers ninyo go, ang wala makapsa shortage sa aton yung mga trainers or mga teachers.
Sa subong again, no, because some of our projects like the reading programs, no, it has just gained traction. So we are still developing and increasing our capacity. Pero ang aton nga mga kinahanglan naton dra sa force multipliers. But may resulta na kita. So far, what they have done, we have increased the percentage problematic sa una, percentage sa pagbasa. They're doing a good job. And we, again, mabuson tang pwersa sa atong probinsya kang Special Education Fund to further improve the performance of our programs.
Thank you, Gab.
Okay.
Thank you,
Gov.
Gov.